How to download and install Telegram on Windows 11 or 10 for free. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to open up your web browser and navigate to the official Telegram website. You can do this by typing Telegram in the address bar and hitting enter. Click to open on this link, or check out on the link in the description below to open up the website. Once you're on the Telegram website, click on the Get Telegram for Windows 64-bit. The Telegram setup file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where it's saved and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Click on Install. After the installation, click on Finish to open. Click on Start Messaging. Here you can log in using your phone number or scan the QR code to start using the Telegram on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Telegram on your Windows 11 or 10 computer for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.